From the next road trip, greetings! The brand new 2026 Ford Motorhome, a marvel of modern engineering and design, is poised to transform adventure travel. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, its aerodynamic, streamlined design consumes less gasoline, which lowers the cost of long travels. Because of its distinctive Ford design, integrated lighting, and graceful lines, it stands out from the throng on any route. The 2026 Ford Motorhome boasts a strong Ford chassis that delivers dependable and powerful performance behind its eye-catching facade. There are two choices, depending on the design. A strong 7.3L V8 gas engine that can provide enough horsepower and torque for any terrain, or an environmentally friendly hybrid powertrain that combines exceptional capabilities and economy. Some larger models may even employ the F-Series Super Duty chassis, thanks to features like the 6.7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel for unparalleled towing and hauling. Power and functionality are expertly combined in this RV to deliver the greatest vacation experience. When you first enter the cockpit, you are astounded by the ergonomic design and state-of-the-art electronics. In the center of the dashboard is a large, easily navigable touchscreen entertainment system that integrates media, navigation, and vehicle functions. Voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google integration are expected features of Ford's next SWAN-C system. A fully digital instrument cluster that enables distraction-free operation combines tactile buttons for critical tasks with clear, customizable driving information. The modern, driver-focused command center is complemented with high-quality parts and strategically placed storage areas. Outside of the cockpit, the living space of the 2026 Ford Motorhome offers luxury and versatility. The open-concept design makes the most of every square inch. A comfortable and welcoming room may be created with high-quality upholstery, whether it is made of smooth leather or robust yet luxurious materials. The huge windows let in plenty of natural light, which makes the cabin feel larger. Ingenious storage solutions, such as overhead lockers and under-seat compartments, are included throughout to ensure that everything has a place. With its mood lighting, adjustable climate control, and several USB charging ports, it resembles a house on wheels. Return to the bedroom area, a private haven designed just for the finest possible relaxation after a day of travel. Depending on the floor layout, you'll most likely discover a comfortable queen-sized bed with a decent mattress that offers adequate space for a restful night's sleep. There is enough of room for storing clothing and other personal items thanks to built-in closets and drawers surrounding the bed. Along with all the comforts of home, there are power outlets, individual reading lamps, and perhaps even a tiny flat-screen TV in one place. The onboard restroom is shockingly spacious and opulent in comparison to the occasionally sparse RV amenities. It has a separate shower enclosure with hot water and good water pressure, a contemporary toilet, and a sleek vanity with a basin. High-quality fixtures, appropriate ventilation, and sufficient lighting all contribute to a clean and comfortable environment. For convenience and additional space, some larger models could also have a dry bath setup. For the foodie on the go, the 2026 Ford Motorhome's kitchen is the perfect place. It has everything you need to prepare delicious meals, whether you're preparing a fancy dinner or a quick snack. You would expect a multi-burner stove, a sink with a stylish faucet, and a large refrigerator and freezer to hold all of your possessions. Enough countertop space, often made of solid, easily cleaned materials, and well-designed cabinets and drawers provide practical storage for all your possessions and kitchenware. Some versions could also have a microwave or convection oven for even greater versatility.